It's a 2018 Cadillac CTS-V. Beauty, luxury, prestige. All of these things, and with a beastly heartbeat. The 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine harnesses 640 horses and 630 pound-feet of torque to get you from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. The attractive design slices through the wind, and the quad exhaust has been finely tuned to announce this CTS-V is also performance. On top of the heart-racing drive, you get a long list of elite features to pamper you as much as excite you, including heated and ventilated leather seats, curb view camera, and lane change alert. V is for velocity. Are you ready for it? Take this CTS-V home today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.